Today our topic is epistasis. It comes for the short question. The prevention of the expression of one pair of genes by another pair of genes is known as epistasis. Epistasis means stopping the characters. The inhibiting gene is called epistatic gene. The inhibited gene is called a hypostatic gene. Epistasis is of two types. They are dominant epistasis and recessive epistasis. Okay, first of all, let us know dominant epistasis. Here, dominant epistasis, when out of two genes, the dominant allele, example A, of one gene masked the activity of alleles of another gene B and expressed itself phenotypically, then A gene locus is said to be epistatic to the B gene locus. That means A gene covering the character of the B genes, because the dominant allele A can express itself only in the presence of either B gene or B allele. Therefore, such type of epistasis is known as a dominant epistasis. The dominant epistasis modified the classical ratio of 9:3:3:1 into 12:3:1 ratio. Just write down this example, dominant epistasis in dogs. Just write down, among dogs, the color of coats depend upon the action of two genes. One gene locus has a dominant epistatic inhibitor allele. This is the dominant one of coat color pigment. The allele 1 prevents the expression of the color allele at another independent assorting hypostatic gene locus B, and produces white coat color only. The alleles hypostatic gene locus BBB express only when two recessive alleles occur on the epistatic locus, that is IIBB or II the recessive, produces a black and IIB produces a brown individuals. When two such white coat color dogs are crossed in one F1, the white, black and brown coat colors appear in the ratio 12:3:1 ratio. Okay, go through this table. So you can practice this table. You can understand very easily. Okay. Next one, what is that? Recessive epistasis. So in the recessive epistasis, what happens here? Sometimes the recessive alleles, here the dominant alleles, whereas here the recessive alleles of one gene locus mask the action of alleles of another gene locus. This type of epistasis is known as a recessive epistasis. Due to the recessive epistasis, the phenotypic ratio 9:3:3:1 becomes modified into 9:3:4. Example, recessive epistasis in mice. In mice, various types of epistatic genetic interactions have been reported. The most interesting case is of recessive epistasis in the coat colors. The common house mouse occurs in a number of coat colors, that is agouti, black and albino. These are the colors. When homozygous black, MMA, see homozygous this one, is crossed with the homozygous albino, okay, in F1 generation, all agouti offsprings appear. When the F1 agouti are crossed among themselves, in F2, agouti black, albino offsprings appear in the ratio of 9:3:4. So you go through this checkerboard. So these are the black male, albino female. In the F1 generation, we will get all agouti color. So if these in agouti generation, in F1 generation, the agouti represented themselves, reproduction takes them, that's what happens here. 9:3:4 ratio is upper in the F2 generation.